Hello, so today I'm talking to you about colour. This is related to the lovely Canva that I absolutely love. So colours are extremely important to you and your business. They represent you, so it's important to pick the right colours. I've written a short blog post, it's on my website, www.anchoronline.co.uk, under blogs, just going through some of the different types of meanings behind colours. So if you pick the right colour for your business, it can definitely have a huge impact. Certain colours bring out different types of emotions in people. So keep that in mind when you're picking your colours. Different emotions, so love, sort of reds and pinks, blues, security, trust, confidence, that kind of thing. So it's very, very important for you to get the right colour. Also, if you don't have a colour scheme in mind for your business, check out www.canva.com/colour, written in the American version, so COLOR. This webpage has a fantastic abundance of different colours and complementary colours that go with them. There's a colour wheel, so you can find colours that complement each other, and you can also upload an image and they will give you the colour codes for the main dominant colours in that image. It's absolutely fantastic. So just a short little video today about colour. Check out my blog on my webpage and check out the Canva page as well when you're looking for colours for your business. Okay, so I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.